Good morning, students. Myself Jitendra Kumar Jha, St. Michael Academy Betia, present here with the topic of mathematics for standard 7. Today's topic is exponents and exercises A to B. Express in the exponential form. We have learned the laws of exponent. I have to use it today. Here it is given, first question is 3 power 2 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 7. We have learnt a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here one more is given, so if it is given a power m, n and p, then we will again add it. So this will be equal to 7 power 2 plus 4 plus 7 is equal to 3 power 13. Question number C is a power 7 into a power 5. So this one is a power 7 plus 5 is equal to a power 12. D is something different. See, here it is x power 7 into 7 power x into 7 power 2. Value of x is not known, does not the matter. But we have to express in the exponential form. So in the exponent it will be x plus 2. The first power is x and the second power is 2. So the power of 7 is equal to x plus 2. Now see question number J. 5 power 3 divided by 5 power 2 multiplied by 5 power 3. So have to solve the exponent given in the bracket and then solve with it. So this will be equal to, this is the case of division, so the power will be subtracted. 5 power 3 minus 2 into 5 power 3. This will be equal to 5 power 1 into 5 power 3. And the result is 5 power 1 plus 3 is equal to 5 power 4. The second problem is question number 2. The second one is express and simplify also. In the first one it was only to express in exponential form. Simplify. And question number 2 is express in the exponential form and simplify. And simplify. So the question number 2a is 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into 8 divided by 3 into 64. See, some is given in the exponential form, some is not given in the exponential form. So I have to convert it into exponential form first. This will equal to 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 and to 2 power 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8. So this will be equal to 2 power 3. Now divide it by 3 into 64. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. You may solve it in this way also. What 64 is equal to this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be equal to 2 power 6. Solving it, 2 power 3 is equal to 2 power 6 into 3 power 4 by 3 into 2 power 6. Now 2 power 6 to 2 power 6 will be cancelled. And this will equal to 3 power 4 and here it is 3 power 1 minus 1. So is equal to 3 power 3. And 3 power 3 is equal to 3 3 is 9 3 is 27. So this is the simplification also. Have to express in the form of this is equal to 3 power 3, or if you will solve it, 3 3 is 9 3 is 27. Now the second one is Question number B, 2B. This one is 5 power 2 multiplied by 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 3. In the first case, the power will be added. So this will be 5 power 2 plus 4. Then it will be divided by 5 power. पहले वाले में पावर को जोड़ेंगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का केस, तो 2 और 4 मिलके क्या होगा 5 पावर 6 और फिर डिवाइडेड बाई 5 पावर 3. जब डिवीजन का केस होता है तो पावर का घटाव होता है. 5 पावर 6 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 5 पावर 3. आप इसको भी लिख सकते हैं आंसर, नहीं तो 5 को 3 टाइम्स. अगर सिर्फ रहता है एक्सप्रेस इन द एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म, देन दिस इज 5 पावर 3. बट इफ यू टू सिंप्लीफाई, you can multiply 5 into 5 into 5. This is equal to 125. Or simply we can write 5 over 3. Now, the next question is question number F. The questions are of different type. Question number F is 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0. 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 multiplied by 5 power 0. We have learned that a power 0 is equal to 1. Here you can write, since a power 0 is equal to 1, thus 2 power 0 is equal to 1, 3 power 0 is equal to 1, multiplied by 5 power 0 is equal to 1. Multiply, adding 1 and 1 is equal to 2, multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 under 2. देखने में बहुत हार्ड है, सॉल्व करना बहुत ही सिंपल. तो इस तरह से आप अभी दूसरा क्वेश्चन डिफरेंट टाइप का देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, से either it is a true or a false. True false. Question number 3, true false. First question is given 10 power 2 into 10 power 3. Here it is given 1 0 0 0 into 10. Simplify first. This is 10 power 2 plus 3. Basically 10 power 2 plus 3 is equal to, this will be 10 into 10 into 10, and this last one 10. This will be, this much implies you may write 10 power 5, and here it is 1 2 3 4, 10 power 4. But 10 power 5 is not equal to 10 power 4. So writing 10 power 5 is equal to 10 power 4 is false. Second one is 2 power 3. 3b, it was 3b is 3b 2 power 3 is greater than 5 power 2. 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 5 power 2, 5 into 5. So simplify, 2 to the 4 to the 8 is greater than 25 is a false statement, because 8 is not greater than 25. Now see one more. The question number D is 3 power 0 is equal to 3 power 0 is equal to 1000 power 0. Of course 3 power 0 is equal to 1, and 1000 power 0 is also is equal to 1. So this is true, because a power 0 is equal to 1. a power 0 is equal to 1. a का वैल्यू 3 भी हो सकता है, 1000 भी हो सकता है, 10,000 भी हो सकता है. अगर पावर 0 है तो उसका वैल्यू 1 ही होगा. इसलिए दोनों 1 और 1 होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. ये ट्रू का केस है. नाउ The fourth one is express the following as a product of prime factors. 216 into 192. आप ये दोनों को 216 को और 192 का फैक्टर कर लेंगे. 2 से करेंगे 108 होगा, फिर 2 से करेंगे 54 होगा, फिर 2 से 27 होगा, फिर 3 से 9 होगा, 3 से 3 होगा, फिर 3 से 1 होगा. 192 को 2 से करिए 2 9 जा 2 6 जा. 2 से करिए 2 4 जा 8 8 जा 48. फिर 2 से करिए 24, फिर 2 से करिए 12, फिर 2 से करिए 6, 2 से करिए 6, फिर 2 से 3 और 3 से करिए 1. अब ये देखिए, इसको इतना लिखना है 1 2 3. फॉर 216 यू कैन राइट 1 2 3 2 power 3 into 1 2 3 3 power 3 and into this one you have to write 1 2 3 4 5 6 means 2 power 6 into 2 power 6 into 3 power 1. Your work is from where you can write this one 2 power 3 3 power 3 into 2 power 6 into 3 power. So 2 power 6 or 3, 2 power 9, 3 power 3 or 1 into 3 power 4. This is your answer. So children, homework is exercise 8B. Hope that you will be able to solve all the problems. Thank you, children.